Right guys, welcome to a new video in which I will tell you how to use your Hisense TV if you lost your remote control, if it does not work, or there is some problem of some kind with your remote control. Well, you don't have your remote control. How to control your Hisense TV? Well, it will depend on the model of your Hisense TV. So first of all, how to turn this off or turn it on. Okay, so right here at the bottom of your Hisense TV, right behind this LED sensor, you can find right here behind it there is a small tiny little button that you can press, and by pressing it you can control what you want to do with the input on your Hisense TV, as well as putting the volume down, putting volume up, or powering off your Hisense TV. Okay, now I turned it off right now. If I want to turn it on back, I need to press it once, just once, boom, and it turns on. Okay, back to the home screen. Now that's what about the volume down, volume up, and the turning off and on. Now if you want to actually control it, to move around the settings, move around the apps, around YouTube, what you can do is, depending on your, as I said, Hisense model, on the older models, right behind the Hisense TV on the left or right side, you could find some buttons with turn on, turn off, go up, go down, volume up, volume down. However, with newer models, they removed this feature. You don't have those buttons anymore. So if you have the older version of the Hisense model TV, well, you might find some buttons over here or on the other side in the same place. If you own a newer version, well, you will not find it. And to be able to completely control your Hisense TV, you will need your remote control. Okay, so just try to fix it. Right guys, so if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.